Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and system defaults because most issues are simple conflicts. Plug in and unmute your headset, then open Windows Sound to set your mic and speakers as default devices so Valorant sees them. Once done, quit other apps that could lock the microphone, Discord, OBS, browser tabs, and fully restart the game. Making system defaults match what you want avoids driver or device selection errors and gets you into the next, deeper checks. Next, focus on in-game settings and drivers because Valorant reads both. You should open Valorant audio options and explicitly choose your input device and set voice volume. Do not rely on default named default. Then update or reinstall your sound drivers via Device Manager to clear corruption. Also, disable exclusive mode in Windows microphone properties so apps don't steal the mic. Once these changes are applied, use Valorant's voice test and have a teammate confirm you're audible before moving on. Finally, ensure permissions and network settings aren't blocking voice. Grant microphone access in Windows Privacy and run Valorant as administrator so it can use devices. If issues persist, reset Valorant's config by closing the game and deleting the local config file so it regenerates defaults. If that fails, try a different mic or headset to isolate hardware. One troubleshooting tip. If teammates still can't hear you, check NAT/UDP port restrictions or temporarily disable VPN. Network blocks often prevent voice packets from flowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.